What are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm thinking.
Huh?
I'm thinking.
Why you need to buting-ting that?
I have to want to live inside.
You want to go outside? It's open.
You shut up.
Huh? It's open. You can go outside. It's open. The door is open. Are you trying to break the door? Daddy? It's open. It's not locked.
Yeah, you make the coffee for me.
Okay, you can go to the table and I make coffee and bread. Let's go. Let's go, Tara. Let's go. Let's eat bread and coffee. Let's go. Let's go. Careful. Careful, careful. It's down part. Down, down, down. Okay, go to the table. Go to the table. Go, Daddy. Go, go, go. Walk properly. Go, go, go. Not yet done. Okay, wait. Sit down. Okay, good. Wait for me. I'll prepare your coffee, okay? But you need to drink your milk first.
Okay, coffee first.
No, you need to finish your milk first. It's night time. You need to sleep. Because we need to catch the sunrise tomorrow. Can we do that, Daddy? Can we wake up early? Can we sleep early? No more activities at night time because we need to catch up the sunrise and do exercise. We can do that? Yes or no? Okay. Nice. Hi guys, this is Daddy's midnight snack. Apple, bread, and ensure milk. Need to smash it. Kasi, hindi na si Daddy nakaka-chew. Mix ko siya ng ganito para masarap. Yum, yum. You like it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. It's banana bread. Okay, finish ni Dad the food. No more the milk. Busog, Daddy? Are you full?
Yes.
You want more food?
Yes.
What food?
Good.
Than the food?
Yes.
Okay. Where are we going now?
Yes.
Okay. Go. Okay, prepare to stand. Go.
One moment, I need some place.
What? What did you say?
Spare case. Spare.
Spare?
Spare.
Why? Why you need the spare case?
Yeah.
It's night time. Kailangan daw niya ng spare case. So, gabi talaga siya active. Pag-araw, puro tulog. Sa umaga, antok ako. Marunong na magbukas ng ilaw. Oh. Marunong na. What are we going to do? What you trying to do with that thing? You gonna broke it. Let's go to your room na. Sleep time na. Careful. Pababa yan dyan. Pababa. Careful, careful. Careful. Last 10 na ng gabi, guys. Ayan, last 10. At active na active ang person.
This with cabinet na.
Okay, I will put it back. Can you rest na? And antayin mo ako, gisingin kita. Kasi magpapaaraw tayo. Okay ba yun, Daddy?
Yes.
Can do that. We can do paaraw tomorrow. Hindi tayo magpupuyat ngayon.
Oh, yes.
Pwede ba yon?
Ready.
That's nice. Pahinga ka na, ha? Good night, Daddy.
Okay, maliit pa.
Okay. Huwag na tayo magpuyat, Daddy, ha? Tulog na tayo, ha? Magpapaaraw tayo tomorrow. Mayroon tayong gagawin, no? Exercise tayo, no? Tomorrow na tayo kung anong gagawin, no? Huwag na magpupuyat. Good night, Daddy. Love you.